Here we have the Eachine H8. Here we go. Alright, inside the box we have instruction manuals, some multiple languages. We have a pack full of parts and goodies here. We got a screwdriver, we have a USB charger, we have 2 spare props, and then these are like little rubber pads, and you can stick them to the bottom of the drone. So this is your controller. This is a 2.4 gigahertz. It's non-altitude hold. It does have dual rates, and it does flips and rolls too. So here's the drone. Pretty cool looking. Has some prop guards here. Comes with a 3.7 volt 150 milliamp hour battery. There is no on and off switch, so to turn the drone on, just plug it in. Red is the front, blue is the rear.
Alright, here is the Eachine H8, and for the battery, just slip the battery in like so. It's a pretty tight squeeze there, but at least you know it's not going to fly out. And then to turn the power on, just plug it in. See, we have red and blue flashing lights. Turn the controller on, and it auto binds. See, there's no up and down, so it just auto binds. So we're going to take off. Here we go. Okay. Pretty nice takeoff right from the hand there. It is non-altitude hold, so it is a little trickier for a beginner to fly. Let's try doing a flip here. You just press down on the right toggle, and okay, that's a nice flip there. Let's do a roll. Now it does have dual rates, so let's change the rate. Okay, you heard the 2 beeps, and you can definitely notice a speed change. Wow, even the yaw, picks up. Wow, look at that yaw. Here's that yaw. That's pretty quick. I like the H8. The H8 is great. So far, I can't see anything wrong with it. Okay, let's see if there's a third rate. Nope, it just beeps once, so there you have a slower first rate. And then 2 beeps, then you have your faster second rate, or advanced if you want to call it that. Beginner and advanced. It almost yaws too fast. Like, you can't really, you have to go easy on the yaw when you want to turn around. It spins around really fast. I'm sure once you get used to it, the yaw rate might be a little easier to control. Sometimes I kind of over rotate on my turn. Something to get used to. Let's do another flip. Okay, front flip, back flip. We'll go roll left and right. Yeah, this thing's pretty cool. I like it. Not the best I've flown, but it is up there with one of the best. Yeah, this thing's fun to flip. The battery is not too big, so I don't expect a real long extended flight. I'm waiting for these LEDs to start flashing, because that is like the low battery indicator. And then once they start flashing, you get no more flips and rolls. So let's just keep flipping and rolling. Wow. Oh man. Okay, well, look at that. I don't think I could do that again. And right on cue when I said about the LEDs flashing, they're flashing, so there's a good chance that I won't be able to do any more flips. Nope, it doesn't let me do any more flips. So do your flips in about the first 3 minutes, and you'll have some fun with it. Oh, it just died just like that. So, okay. Well, I mean, like I said, I didn't expect too long of a flight time because of the size of the battery. And, but I must say that this thing is pretty cool. The flips, the rolls, it doesn't lose altitude much when it does the flips and rolls. And it's pretty fast. It's pretty fast when you put it in that advanced rate. Even the beginner rate is kind of quick. One thing I didn't like was the really fast yaw rate. When it was on the advanced setting, it almost spun around too fast. It was kind of hard to get your bearings and know which direction you were pointing. You kind of over rotate. But this is my first time flying this, so for being a first time, it flew pretty well, and I was able to fly it, having fun with it.
So the H8's pretty cool. I did enjoy it. I'm gonna pick something off the pile here. So the next RC is going to be this Jewel 23212. This is the next RC on the channel. Hit the subscribe button right over here. If you didn't do it already, hit that like button, and I hope to see you with the next Ready to Run RC.